Hi YouTube, FT here. This video is about M41-A Pulse Rifle. This is an airsoft weapon based on the pulse rifle used in the movie ALIANS. You can buy this in three guises. You can buy as is, green. You can buy it two-tone. Two-tone is specifically for the UK. And what that means is that the body would be something like a bright blue. And it is illegal to change it, to spray over it and colour it. The third way is to buy a kit. The kit consists of the body, which generally comes in a grey, whitish colour. You then need a donor gun, which happens to be a Thompson machine gun. As it is illegal to overspray two-tone, this one was not a two-tone. This one was purchased as a I've finished it now. I'm very pleased with it. And what follows is basically a slideshow how it progressed. So I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. And I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.